bit on both sides this morning. One little push from the report, and nothing much after that, guys. But it does look like I said, I think our what we are told is we are told that it's should be slightly bullish. That's what we were told. But we're gonna put some numbers up here in a minute, and we're gonna impart some thought processes on you people. Good job on the long side, guys. Just keep getting those targets off. Get another target off, and let's call it a risk-free trade since we're at the top of the little zone / range / everything else. We're gonna get an 18-point move today. What do you guys think about that?
Yeah, that was lackluster.
No, you don't want an 18-point move?
I'd love an 18-point move. Got some echo. You don't have your headphones on?
Nope. They're on in the other room. Like I said, I'm working with a little bit of a Band-Aid situation here.
Temporary.
Yeah. I could probably figure out how to fix it if it's a bad echo. So, guys, we are in a downtrend, so you guys can take those sell signals. I'm not going to talk you out of it. Just know what to do. Scalp it. Get a couple contracts off quick. You know, your stop's got to be above the swing point. Get a couple contracts off quick so you can leave your stop in a no-lose spot. Those of you on the long side, just squeeze your stops up just a couple ticks. That's it. And we should all be good. Hey, there's some comments. So we talk trading now. Would not take very much for us to turn into a downtrend, just below the pivot. The market's going to try to push to one of the two or the other. Probably both today. So probably going to get a push toward the pivot or push toward the support area here and back up to the pivot. One or the other. I would think both. If it does pick a strong direction, we're going to pick that regardless of trend, meaning that breakout of this range will be the direction. So below, well, we can see it right here below this low, 68.50. Below 68.50, it becomes much more shortable. So below, type all this in just so everybody gets it in writing too. Below, what was the number? Yeah, we took a long and a short. 68.50, 42.68.50. There you go. And then, guys, really below this 62.75, we get even more bearish. Well, that seems to be working right now, doesn't it?
It does.
It does. It appears to still be working. Mr. Brickdicko, should I change the zones?
The answer is no.
So I should change the zones.
Yes.
So I should change the zones. I like the upper zone. It works well.
Yeah,
Do I
it's
have
holding.
there? That's why I like the zones on the same chart. Maybe I should put them both on the. These two could be changed, definitely. So, down here. It should automatically remember them for you. Like if there's a zone I really liked. I need to make my candles wider. Nader. Nader Tater.
Nader's in here. Nader.
What? Mater Tater? Mater
Nader.
Tater?
Nader's in here.
Hola, Coach Hugo. Mahalo to everybody. Mahalo. What are the settings for? Let me get that in a minute, Captain K. I'm trying to get the zones updated for you guys. There's an M forming now. A little bit of an M forming for you guys. So again, guys, 42, 62, 75. Below that's even stronger, an even stronger sell signal. Another buy signal though. First touch rule, right? Man, there's lackluster. I thought that we could see some fireworks this morning. There's a buy signal. We are in an uptrend, guys. So guess who's taking buy signals? You guys taking the buy signals? You guys getting these? Little tiny simple first touch rules. I know stochastics aren't quite getting oversold, but dang, they're easy trades. Good job, Sandra. Easy little trades. Everyone's giving you at least a couple targets you could take off. And nice little W forming. If it's W breaks, you should have a nice little long trade. The W breaks. And let me put down here we're 262 becomes a much stronger sell signal. Are you guys hearing an echo when I'm talking? You're not hearing an echo when I'm talking, are you? Echo, echo, echo. Just when both Coach Paul and I talk?
Yeah. That's why I keep mine muted.
I'll switch it over. Let me finish these.
It's not a big deal. I can just keep it
my
muted.
headset over here. Well, you know, it's not really that big of a deal to me either. I just want to make sure our lovely people are happy and their ears are all cuddled and nice and warm things. Nice and warm voice. Smooth jazz hour here on the 11 after 11's radio show. Mm-hmm. All right, so I don't know which two zones I actually changed just now, so let's give that a few minutes and see what happens. And we're gonna play the breakout of this little consolidation here, guys. We can treat this like an M or a W. Probably pretty soon we'll see something happen. Mm. Uh, uh. And yeah, guys, I mean, we're gonna play the breakout here. So, do you guys want me to put it in chat? You guys know what to do, right? You guys know what to do. Playing the breakout. You guys know what to do, right? Playing the breakout from here to here. If that's not in your rule set, you don't take this trade. Hey, you wait for oversold stochastics and take the long signal, or you wait for overbought stochastics and take the short signal. Get it, got it, good. Right, guys? All right. If you have, all right, this is a point, Paul. Here we go. This is the point where I say, understand that we want you. You pay us to make you make money on a daily basis, guys. If you're sitting there not letting me or Coach Paul know what's going on, you don't have to make it public. You don't. If you're shy and you don't want to make it public, don't. You can simply just click on the hamburger menu on the top left. Click on the three dots next to our name, and private chat us, and we'll help you. Heck, if you're afraid of me and Coach Paul, you can private chat Coach Hugo twice because he's in there twice.
Yes, Larry.
Point being is, guys, participate in the chat. Too many times this week, have somebody come up, especially somebody that we know well, come back and said, "Oh, I had a mistake happen. I had this happen. I had that happen, and I got behind, and I'm down some money." I'm like, okay, well, when did that happen? Oh, 2 hours ago. Well, why didn't you say something about it 2 hours ago? Right? Guys, if you do something and you lose some money, tell us. Tell us when it happens. Let's fix it then. There's a lot of times where if there's a lot of times where if you do it in the moment, I'm going to be able to say, oh, well, hey, look, just do this right now.
Yeah.
And boom, you're in a trade that's successful. Turns it around immediately. And then we fix it. We fix the behavior with the creepy Kermit.
Creepy Kermit.
Okay, don't message that Hugo. Message Coach Hugo. Larry, he's a sneaky, slimy, like underhanded guy. This Larry guy parades around as Hugo, and you can only trust the real Coach Hugo. I mean, literally, guys, every single one of these long signals is given like a little tiny point. Just a couple points every time. What about Paul? Well, I think the
Echo Paul.
help me help you. Say it. Goading me into doing something that. Oh, I need to do something. This is what I'm trying to do. Help you guys out. Which one is this one? Three. I need to move 3. That's convenient. 42.61. I believe below 42.62. We said something about being a 42.62. So we can make this 62.50 on the top side. It says 4, right? Yep. So much open. F. And then the only one we need to move is this guy, right? No. Maybe if I did my zones in a normal order, like chronologically, I might actually really keep track of it. Genius. Paul, you have a charts ready to go just in case, right? Sell signal coming up. Sell signal coming up. Oh, got to upgrade, huh? Get yourself an upgrade. Get yourself an upgrade. All right, guys. We know what to do here, right? Look for the fake out breakout to the long side, or trailing the profits on the breakout on the short side. You know the risk you got to take. If you took the trade, you know exactly what risk to take, and you know exactly what to do and how to reverse it if you need to. So, this is not a trade that newbies should be taking. Not a trade newbies should be taking. I will not explain it. I will not go through it, because if you don't know how to do it yourself, you should not be doing it. Fair enough? Fair enough, guys. You guys understand what I'm talking about? You understand the words coming out of my mouth? There you go. It's for a different chapter and a different book. How about that? But those of you that know how to take the trade, take the trade. Yeah, if you know how to take the trade, take the trade. There's going to be a breakout of this little range, and it'll make money. But if, again, at the end of the day, if I have to walk you through every step of where your stop goes, how to play the reversal if you do have to reverse the trade, how to double up on contracts to make sure that you get profitable. If I have to walk you through all that, you don't need to take this trade, guys. Is that fair, Paul?
Pretty clear.
All right. There you go. Those that do know how to play it, get ready for some fun. Get ready for some fun.
She's gonna break.
It's gonna break.
Or it's gonna fake.
Either way, we're gonna make some money on it, or at least break even. We'll at least break even on it. Same zone. The zone is strong with you. The zone is strong with you. Makes me feel way more comfortable with below 42, 62, 50 being a strong sell signal. The zone is strong with you, it is. The zone. Let's see if I can do this. The zone is strong with you. That's pretty good, right? Strong zone you have.
That's actually pretty good.
And I can lift aircraft out of swamps with my mind.
Impressive.
Yes, very impressive. Very, very impressive. Very, very impressive. So this is like little 68. I'm trying this out if I want to put a zone there, because it probably would be pretty good, but it's so close to that 6250. Guess we can throw one there for now. Move it later. Uh-oh, who's chatting me? I don't even know how to do this anymore. I don't even know how to do this anymore, guys.
When's your new computers arrive? Today.
So yeah, it's supposed to be like express. Get here right now.
Get here right at 9:30.
Yeah, right. Mr. Predicto, will my new computers be here before noon?
The answer is unclear.
Highly doubtful.
Now, this is package delivery services, so Mr. Predicto could be right on that one thing. Maybe here's what maybe happened. Maybe you actually got, or a coach actually got the stock market, Mr. Predicto, and we got the everyday life, Mr. Predicto.
That could be true.
Here's the reason why. What's today? Today is what day of the week?
Thursday.
Tuesday. Come on, guys. Seriously, what is the day of the week? What is wrong with you people? What do I do every Thursday? What do I do every Thursday? Go catch a sunset.
Oh, that's right.
So,
I was thinking trading.
who is this texting me?
Morning, John.
A little target taking off. Obviously, you guys see your first target clear as, I mean, technically these sell signals worked, right? Right, guys?
Yeah. There's your breakout.
What is the trend? Does anybody know what the trend is? What is the trend? What is the trend? What is? Oh, yeah, it is your friend. What is the trend right now?
Your friend. Down.
JA. I'm gonna call Corey JA.
Trend is your friend. Trend is your friend.
All right, let's fix this. Let's fix this headphone issue. We'll leave this in coach. I trade better than coach anyway. Don't tell him that. Shh. Make trade calls like a genius. Everybody trail down. Everybody got a piece of this little short, right? Those of you guys that know how to do it. Nice little short here. Everybody got a piece of that. You guys got a piece of it. Everybody say yes.
Yes.
You did it right, Paul.
I did. Yeah.
Yeah. You did it when I started talking about it, didn't you?
Yeah. They were waiting.
Did you get it, Trader K? Be nice. You guys get a little piece of this?
All
Yeah, good job. I mean, you only have 3 chances to get into it, right? 4 chances to get into it. You had 4 chances to get into it. Matt, D nice, Trader K. That's it. Just the 3 of you. Come on, guys. I told you guys to do this for like an hour. I said a cell signal is warming. I said everything. Did I not say a cell signal was warming like an hour ago? Like right here? 841. Good job, Captain K. I got to get you to stay in these trades longer, buddy. Got to get you working on 3 contracts, Captain K, and staying in trades longer. That way you can get that runner, dude. Okay? All right, Captain K. All right, Captain K. Good job, though. D nice. Oh. So, but you still get two targets off, right, Corey? Good. Yes, that's what I want you to do, Captain K. Switch micros and do 3 for a while, or 6, or 9, like we talked about, something like that. You know, size down, and that way you can do 3, 3, 3, something like that. Good job, Corey. There is obviously a long signal. We are playing both sides of this right now. So those of you that want to take the long trade, you're welcome to do it. It's a nice little 9-tick rule long. Should be able to get a target or 2 off. Should be a pretty easy long trade. Don't know if it's going to have any thrust, but you could probably get an ATR out of it. So maybe to like 30, 73, 75, you get a target if you want to do the long trade. If I were you guys, I would be selling rallies. If I were you. That is just my opinion, and I think I've said that.
You know what that's?
We've been talking about selling for a little bit this morning, right?
All morning.
And the market likes those round, even numbers like 43, 4,300. Couldn't push through that. So it's a big rejection area. It's got to stay above it for this daily to stay bullish, guys. It's got to stay above 4,300. If it doesn't, we're not going to be bullish for very much longer on the daily. I mean, obviously, we're not bullish right now. But and so much for that report being freaking
Was awesome.
bullish, right? Like we're told by Grandma that reports can be a little bullish. I guess it was a little bit. And there you go. I'm smarter than Grandma again. I don't know about smarter. I just read the market well. I think that's what I do. It's a talent. Read the market well. Why is this? Oh, I left that blank space on the edge there. I don't need that anymore. How do we get rid of this? Data series, I think. No. Wait. It's a spacing somewhere. What is it? I'm going to change. You know what? I'm going to be changing it all today anyway. So who gives a crap? I spent way too much money on those computers. It's like this thinking that a strong machine can keep a hacker from doing something.
That won't work.
That
Yeah,
doesn't work
laptop
that
or
way.
desktop?
It doesn't work that way. I think it was just an excuse for me to buy like super cool
Super cool.
stuff.
Neon
Kids.
lighting.
I wish we gave, remember we gave away, were you around when we gave away that gaming computer? I think we're going to do that again.
That'd be cool.
We gave away, it wasn't the, what was it? What's it really popular,
Alien?
strong, a lot of traders use it as a gaming computer. It's
Alienware?
Alienware, yeah. But it was like the cousin to Alienware. It was whatever the other one is.
Predator.
Predatorware. It's humanware. Get it? Alien, human. Solid green. It's people. It's a solid green computer.
Solid green. People. Made from
Computers
people.
by blending up body parts.
Made by
and
people.
creating power out of them. And then
From people.
you find out that you're in the Matrix. And that's how they actually make power in the Matrix. And never mind. All right. I was trying to go down a coach rabbit hole. And anybody who just tuned in and listened to that is like, this guy is freaking nuts. But you know what? This nuts guy has got everybody on a short trade that they're all making money on. Nana boo boo. Except for Captain K because he got out early. He's too much this morning. What is wrong with him? I told you we were going to make money this morning. But hey, and those of you on trial, it was a slow week. There wasn't really much we could do in the mornings this week, right?
Yeah, all week's been slow mornings.
Finally, I got picked up. See, I've been yelling. You guys got to tell me when you do something wrong. Who's done something wrong this morning and screwed up before the open? Who's done something wrong and screwed up before the open? I know somebody has. Tell us. Tell us. Be honest. Steven. Larry did. Obviously, Larry did. Hey, Steven. Is that my Steven? Is that my Steven? Let's see here. Ah, sweet. What's up, buddy? We are short. Yeah, if we can stay in this through the open, I'd love to, guys. I know it's 10 minutes away, but yeah, great question though, Steve. Steve, let's try to stay in. It depends on your fill price, to be honest with you, Steve. And this is a real deal. So I got filled up here. If you didn't get filled up here, then you've got a little bit less wiggle room to play with, Good job, Corey. 73.25. Yeah, that's a tough one, bud. You got to use that as your stop, or at least let's use this low. That low would be your stop. 73.75 would be the stop. Get a target or two off, Steve, so that you get a couple $100 in from there. So if you're at 73.25, you should have gotten a couple targets off right now. Oh, crap. Yeah, I would use this. I would use this candle here, this low, at least as my stop. Got to look back and find those. See how this, see this little indecision candle here? This is a good stop above that. Look back. These range bound, when you're trailing on a range, guys, here's a good, you guys want to know a little knowledge on trailing your stops in a range? You guys want to know a little bit? The easy way to trail your stops in a range? We're just gonna have a few big trades today. Yes. All right. This is the simplest way. Anytime you're in a range, which we've been yelling all morning, we're in this range. We're looking for the breakout on the downside of it. anytime you're in a range, no matter where you get filled at, you can always look back to where price came from. And you see these little indecision candles, those make great stops. So if you're trailing up, right? If you're trailing up, you would use the last move down as your stops. Boop. On the long side. So every time it breaks up, use that as your stop. There's an indecision candle that's going to get you above something that doesn't wick you out. Price gets up here. So let's do it on the south side. You're going down, trailing on the downside. Nothing, nothing, nothing. You have a break of this low here. And then guess what you see over here? It's kind of a hammer. You can use that as your stop. You know, breaking down again, so forth and so on. Use that little indecision candle as your stop. Use this wick as your stop. Indecision. And that usually can help you stair step down pretty good. There you go. There's your good little trick on trailing stops in a range bound market. There you go. Let's see. We got a couple. So yeah. So try to hold through the open if you can, Steve. Your fill price doesn't give you a lot of wiggle room to hold through the open. So where'd you get filled at, Paul? So 20 trades you called yesterday is a slow day. Can't wait to see what the big day is. I think we're just gonna have a big move. Honestly, I think we're gonna have a big move today, and it's gonna be like we'll get like a 20 pointer. We had to piece it together yesterday and get like 5 ticks here, 7 ticks there, 6 ticks here, 4 points. Sorry, 5 points here, 4 points there, 3 points here, 4 points there. What? So they're long, and we're trailing on the short side. All right. This for us. Let's play a die dirty dog and screw with them.
Throw it out there.
Let's play a die dirty dog and screw with them. You guys want to do it? Can't believe we ever heard any lawnmowers outside.
All week.
All week.
Oh, something's wrong.
Ready?
Something's wrong.
All right.
That's what I'm used to.
Die, you dirty dog.
That's what we need.
Yeah, right, Corey. There's no grass left in this neighborhood.
I think we've done pretty well this morning, right?
We're slightly green.
So everybody's green this morning, right? Everybody's done well this morning. We've all gotten green before the market opened, right? We did well. Market's about to open. We did well this morning. Green chartreuse, slightly red. Matt, remember, you guys have to. All right. Do you guys remember saying, tell me when you get red, not after the fact? Sandra, Matt, you guys remember me telling you, did you just go red on this trade? Yes. So why didn't you tell me when you got red, guys, so we could help then? Nice. Good job, John. It's all right. Be patient. So when did you guys go red? Did you guys just go red, Sandra, Matt? Can't be by much either, right? First, Sandra, when did you go red? How long ago? No. Okay, so how long ago did you go red? On a long trade. Okay. Was it Anyone that met your parameters. But Matt, you're still getting used to managing. You're in sim, and you're still getting used to managing your trades and a profit, though, aren't you? And it's 9:27. So why didn't you say something, Sandra? Okay, I'm not as worried about Matt. Sandra, why didn't you tell me at 8:50, 30 minutes ago? Why didn't you tell me 30 minutes ago? Hey, I screwed up. I got red. And I'd be like, okay, let's fix it. What happened? That's what I've been preaching all week. Why didn't you tell me then? So we can help. Sit there and be frustrated. You got a support system here, lady. It's like Alcoholics Anonymous for traders. But better. Please tell me. 9:18. Okay. All right. But again, you're still trying to manage it, learn how to manage your trade. So I'm not that worried about it. I am confident that you just took a long trade and you were either late on it and got stopped out, or you took the long trade and you didn't manage your targets well enough to manage it in the profit. Yeah. And I knew that's exactly what happened, Matt. So that's not as big of a concern of mine. We can fix that easy.
Oh, we spoke too soon.
What?
Listen.
Listen.
Spoke too soon.
Here they come. All right. We're getting close to the open, I think, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
30 seconds.
See my bet. Keep your eye on my chart. I'm not going to trade through the open. Just going to move my stop and leave it just in case the same thing happens. Have your charts. Yes, new folks. Sit on your hands for 6 minutes. No trading first 6 minutes. For those who are newer, those who are on trial, you've heard my rant all week. And we are open for business. No trading first 6 minutes for newbies. Yes, like Corey said. Reason we want to do that is we want you to get an idea of what the big boys and girls are doing through the open. More experienced traders, you can trade through the open, but newer people, we want you to sit on your hands for 6 minutes because that will give you time for the big boys and girls to battle while you sit on the sidelines and let them figure out what direction you want to go. And a lot of days it's going to take off on the open. You're going to say, oh, but I'm missing this trade. No, we are patient traders here. We can wait for another trade set up. There will always be another trade set up. With that being said, those of you on trial, please make sure you're trading in sim. Don't do it in cash. Even newer traders with us, don't trade in cash, right? Let's be smart about this and do it in sim till you learn the process and you get it down. What else do I need to say, Paul?
It's all of the data looks good, by the way.
Got a Band-Aid. Running a Band-Aid. It's holding. Won't be a problem come maybe this afternoon. If I can get Magic Man Hugo on the setup of the new puppy. Kind of excited about it. It's like a new toy.
They desktops or
laptops?
What? What'd you say?
Desktops or laptops?
Who the heck buys desktops these days? People actually do that?
I have both.
Really?
Yeah.
That happens very often, John. Usually around the 6 minute mark, there's usually a decent trade set up as well. Usually around the 6 minute mark, there's a decent trade set up. Still hanging on to the sell side of things, guys. There's probably going to be, though, what is going on with my tick chart? I don't like when I don't have zero. This is one thing I gotta do. Gotta have that horizontal line. With zero. Usually there's a day line that's there for my. That's weird, right? Isn't there usually a line that has the day separated
You can
on the tick chart?
Check the data,
Check the data.
data feed.
Huh?
Look in the right click and go data.
Right click and go
It
data.
should say show
That should say show
break or open.
I don't care.
break or
I'm
open.
not that worried about it. Again, I gotta do this whole thing all over again. So who
Why
cares?
bother?
Why bother?
Yeah, why even bother? The whole shebang. All right, we can sell a rally out of the zone. Trend turned up. Oh no.
Barely.
Oh no. The trend is up. I can't take a sell signal because it's against the trend. Look for an inform, guys. Didn't I put in sell signal about the form? Sell signals about the form. Sell signals about the form. Sell signal about the form. By the time I get it, you're gonna have your first target.
Yeah, I was
I was gonna say,
late.
late.
Monday morning quarterbacking on the alerts. You guys already have a target off. Hey, what do you want?
It is a certainty.
Hey, well, no crap. You say it after the fact. Yeah, we saw it. It's a good sell signal. Yeah, definitely don't trade with the phone. That's for sure. Definitely no trading with the phone. Don't trade with the phone. I mean, we haven't got any runners, but that we've had a couple, 3 so far, easy little shorts. Now this is the 4th one. 4 easy shorts to grab and get some targets on, a couple points. So, I mean, it's not bad, right, guys? It's not horrible.
Scalp day.
Yeah, I mean, we get one. One of these is gonna be a runner. One of these will turn into a runner. One of these will turn
There's
into a
your
runner.
6 minutes.
6 minutes are up. Look at that. A nice little W forming. Counter trend. We need a runner. It's not going to give us a run until we get out of this freaking range. Till we get out of the range, we're not going to get a runner. In the meantime, you guys can listen to my chair squeak. How's that? In the meantime, everybody listen to my chair squeak. Target 2 off. Oh. Target 2 off. Get target 2 off, ladies and gentlemen. Now, right now.
Order filled.
Love it.
I love it when a plan comes together.
It's been working. Not getting a runner yet, but nice little buy signal on the upside here. and the bigger W. Could have already got a target off if you played the long side. I'm not going to force you guys to play the long side because obviously we're still teetering around that downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. But you can play the long side. I mean, again, we did say you could play from bottom of the range. You can play these long signals. I like the sell signals off the top is what I like, but doesn't look like that's trying to knock on the door up there. You look at this, it's just it keeps trying to knock on the door, probably building up a little steam. So what do we expect now? Think through it, guys. Let's talk through this. What do we expect? Probably expect it to try to take another push up, just up, and then roll back over for the slam down.
Short.
That would be it. Another easy short out of the zone. You could even, guys, you can front run these shorts out of the zone too, like this. Just let it go inside the HMA, and that's your sell stop.
That's exactly what I did.
That's your sell stop. And that makes it really easy to grab that target fast. Everybody still listening? You guys still doing this? You guys still doing it? Everybody got a target off? Everybody got a target off? I mean, guys, this is what we got to do. It's what the market's giving us, right? Take what the market gives us. It's 2 points at a time. You can't. If you want to argue with 2 points at a time, then I'll take that $200. How about that?
Send it to me. I'll take it.
Yeah, I'll take that $200 every time. Think about it. We did this once. $200 easy. 4 minutes later, again, $200 easy. Here, $850. So in the past hour, we've only done like $700. I don't know if you make $700 an hour, but we do. Second target off. Let's do it, guys. Give us our runner. We need it. Well, we are in a downtrend, Sandra, so we're taking sell signals. What? Not an insurance. Yep. I forgot. What did I say for Brian to say yep to? Oh, man. Oh, yeah. I mean, these have been easy, guys. These have been easy little pick, grabs them. Two of them. One off the zone, another one off the zone. Both sell signals on Sakasa. Both could have taken targets. So Matt, what have you? We got to get a phone call. Okay. Have you talked to him on the phone yet, Paul?
No. Well, yeah, we talked
get him
earlier
on the phone
before,
today.
but
Get Matt on the phone today. Let's get Matt on the phone today. You're missing the opportunities here. We talked through both of these, right, Paul?
Yeah.
Both of these shorts. We
took
talked
them
through
both.
when we said sell signal. You guys are taking. Everybody else is taking that sell signal. Matt, we're gonna get this fixed. I promise, buddy.
Yeah, let's get on.
Everybody else is taking the sell signals, right? These are easy peasy sell signals. John's doing it. I know. Killer B, you're doing it.
That's a given.
I'll just call you. I'll just call you. Stan's got it. Good.
I want to be in on that.
Good job.
Let me know when you guys talk.
Let me look at my calendar. Can you do 12:30 Eastern? Can you do 12:30?
Crickets.
Yep. Oh, I'm more important than the sport, but that's okay. I understand. I understand you gotta get that taken care of. Let's just do right after the close, Matt. As soon as we close the room down, let's do a phone call. So no matter what time it is, if we close at 3:30 today, then we'll do a phone call. Talk to
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, just visit libertytradingclub.com and start your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls, participation in chat to have questions answered by our coaches, as well as access to our live basic and advanced training classes. Please like, subscribe, and share.